Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to set your phone to one-handed mode. So for example, I press this button 2 times and then you can see the phone is now in one-handed mode. I can just simply use my one hand to do all the functions, all the operations of this phone. So if you find the phone screen is bigger and you just want to use your one hand, you can simply do it, okay, by pressing the home button 2 times. So I will show you how you can make this setting. You can also change the side of this one-handed mode, for example to right or to the left, and once you press it double time you can go back to your normal screen. Okay, so you can see over here. So to do this, first of all you have to go into the settings, and once you enter into the settings you have to scroll down and you will see an option of advanced features. So just select it. Once you enter into the advanced features you will see an option of one-handed mode over here. Just select it. Once you enter into it you have to turn it on first. If it is off you have to turn it on. And the second thing is there are two options. The first option is by doing the gesture, okay, by swipe down or by using the button. So I prefer the button option, it will be easy. So once I double tap on the button, on the home button, okay, so you can see over here it will go into the one-handed mode. Okay, and once you flip it, okay, once you fold it, it will go back to the normal. Okay, so you can see over here now it is in the one-handed mode. Okay, the screen size, and simply I can use all the apps in the one-handed mode. I just have to use my one hand. Okay, and you can see if I double tap it will go back to the normal position. All you have to do, go into the settings, go in advanced features, then select the one-handed mode. Just turn it on if it is disabled. Okay, just press it, and then simply here you can use the gesture option or the button option. Whichever option is convenient for you, you can simply do it, and then you can see over here. So guys, you can also change the position of this one-handed mode as well. You can put it to the right or to the left as well. Okay, so you can see over here. So you can use these features. So you can see over here. So you can also use all of the apps in this one-handed mode. Okay, so you can see all of the apps are working perfectly fine in the one-handed mode. Okay, so you can see. So I will open different apps to show you that all of the apps are working fine, and then you can see the size of this one-handed mode. Okay, if you find the phone size is bigger and you don't want to use two hand, you can only use one hand. So thanks for the video. Please subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.